What's up, data people? My name is Matthew Heffron. Sorry I haven't been making videos. I've been studying data science. I've been slammed with work. Just haven't got around to it. But one of our subscribers said, hey, sometimes when I build a map, it's really hard to see the state names. How can I make those pop? How can I make those bold? How do I edit that? So we're going to cover that today. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And also in the comments, let me know what else you want to see so I can keep creating these videos. All right, let's jump right into it.
Let's open up Tableau Desktop and we'll come over here to the Sample Superstore. What we'll do is we'll click Country. Let's hold down our Command key, click Cells, and we'll come over here to the Show Me tab. Let's select the filled map. We'll click the Show Me tab again to close that out. What you notice here is we're looking at the country level of detail. So let's hit this plus button and look at state. And like our subscriber said, it is kind of hard to read the names. You know, the tooltip's helpful. That lets you read Wyoming, South Dakota, Minnesota, but it is kind of hard just to read if you're looking at the map. So how can we make these state names pop a little more? We can come up here to Map and we can go to Map Layers. Let's uncheck State Province names and uncheck Country Region names. Once you do that, let's hit Close. Next, let's hold down the Command key and let's drop Cells on Label. We can grab State, drop that on Label, and now we have full control to edit this however we like. We can come into the label, we can highlight state, we can make that bold, whatever we like to do.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's quick video tutorial. If you're finding these helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and in the comments, let me know what else you want to see, and I'll keep pumping out some content. Sorry it's been so long. All right, take care guys.